me introduce in our panel. There are 4 participants: Pankaj from Delhi, Sonam from Noida, Niru from Noida, and Pooja from Uttarakhand. So these are the these panelists who will be discussing on this topic, cashless economy. I'm very much blessed that I'm having you all here. So let me first invite Pankaj on the stage to say something. Yes, Pankaj.
Phone Pay, and so many apps we have. We can easily make the payment.
Agree with Neeru because nowadays rate of online fraud is rising with people. Yes, they made fool and in small villages, the oldest people. It's difficult for oldest people because they don't know about the online pay or online shopping about that. So it can be difficult for that.
So there are
And
But
also
Pooja, if I used my cash and it takes home. So if anybody, any thief stolen money,
Steals
you know,
money.
steals money, and if I get if I हमारे पास I have a debit card, credit card, and phone pay, and like the Paytm something. So you can we can easily we can easily do it something and purchase something. And any in a night days, if we have an emergency, like family members.
Sometimes we don't have a bank balance. Sometimes we don't have a bank balance. Then what we are doing that
yes,
time?
Yeah, I agree with you, Neeru. But if I have no money, government said that, and many what all the bank give provide the credit card also, na.
and if you don't have credit card,
yes, but
you can also add money in
privacy
Paytm.
issue government gains.
And privacy also give the. And if you have a Paytm, Google Pay, Bhim, and if you do something and do payment, so
Yes, yes, yes.
he get
But
and phone pay get
Yeah,
listen,
phone.
just a minute.
Sometimes our phone are
Phone.
stolen, and sometimes we
What could you please repeat? Sorry, could you repeat?
Sometime if we emergency we pay to money and we send money. So if phone will be switch off, so
Yeah,
it will stop.
Pooja,
but
nowadays, no,
but Pooja,
no, listen to just a minute, just a minute, please, please. Pooja, nowadays, phone is very important. If you forgot something, so you don't forgot phone, only phone. You
sometimes we
know,
are
na?
forget our phone.
Yes,
yes.
but
No.
If you once once
if we
if
go
you for
somewhere, so nowadays
Yeah,
thief
actually,
are
so I agree with you.
are
so
If
valuable.
so
So
without password, the person cannot be unlock your phone.
yeah,
Google
exactly,
Pay, you
exactly,
When
I
cannot
we are
agree.
enter somebody's
purchase
Google Pay
in a
without
shop,
password.
then how could we pay the balance? How could we pay the amount if we
Yeah.
If
are
Pooja and Neeru, if I don't have a money, and I have bank time to 10 to 4, na. And second Saturday and fourth Saturday off, na. And Sunday. So what we do, what we do for money, what we do for money. And I have an emergency very much. What we do, please describe me and tell me.
can save our money in a home.
and
We
you
earn money.
know
But there is also
yeah,
there is
by
Oh,
also another
there
benefit.
there
shop.
are
If
So
you
also there
we get
also
we
Paytm and phone pay like that.
no. It's in a small villages are no many people don't have online pay and Paytm. So we give
They
only money
they don't know
cash.
about how to use Paytm, Beam Pay,
Yes,
and even I also don't know
and
about that.
in this country is very poverty, so poor people don't have smartphone, and that's why.
Credit card, debit card, they don't have, and they don't have
Yes.
so much money to
Yeah.
put in the bank,
Uh,
and they are using Paytm, ATM card, debit card. The
okay.
how
I understand, and please
And
listen to me for the
cash
2 minutes
cash has
only.
the household managed financials. So
Yeah.
cash
Okay.
is
If
due to
so how they,
population, and they don't have smartphone, and they don't have.
even though
But
they
Pooja,
don't have
every single home has a single phone. Every single home has a phone.
True,
No,
true.
no,
So
no.
in behalf,
No.
behalf of them, somebody can pay. There's
and you know,
their
I
daughter.
saw this happen because when during lockdown they started online class, so poor people don't have smartphone, those, so
they don't
they
have food for
Pooja,
eating.
yeah,
yes.
Pooja, you know,
So
They are living
if
they
But
they
okay,
they
see,
if
slept
anybody
they slept
it
under
does
the
matter
tree,
if
and
if
they
they don't have bank
if
account,
anybody
if they
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 don't
have
have
a
couldn't they
mobile
if they
phone,
don't
so
do
have
pata
bank,
online
so
class.
if they don't
so
have
you
bank
know,
and credit card,
Sonu
then
should
how they
give the
have
mobile
money?
phone or the online classes, na?
Then how they have
But
money if they don't have credit card?
Now
They
he's
are
given.
poverty.
Now he's given.
but
On lockdown,
but
na?
Sonu Sood don't have hair. And they don't
And
give, they
and
don't they
I
didn't
don't
give.
agree. You are to say that
We are not
poverty
agree
in
with
my
you guys.
country.
We are not agree
Yeah,
with you.
I know. You are not agree
You can see,
with
yeah,
me.